Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Ionic Design Kit, a game changer for app development built on the solid foundation of Ionic framework components. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're working with coding snippets from the official Ionic documentation. Right in the middle, you'll see the impressive layout created with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator set up to show our code in action. Feel free to pause the video if you need to take a closer look at anything. What's the Ionic Design Kit? The Ionic Design Kit is packed with pre-made elements, making it super easy for designers to pick and place components without starting from scratch. For developers, this means less complex coding, as all components come straight from the Ionic framework. It's a win-win that streamlines the process and boosts collaboration. Now, let's talk about one of the standout features, the music player screen. This is a crucial element in any app's user interface, serving as the central hub for users to enjoy their music. It's designed to provide intuitive controls and a seamless user experience, making it easy for users to navigate their music library. A visually appealing and functional layout ensures users get the most out of their music listening experience. Incorporating the music player screen into your app is straightforward. Using the Ionic Kit's design components, which are rooted in the robust Ionic framework, you can ensure a seamless integration and a cohesive user experience. And don't worry, all the code snippets are available on our website, so you'll always have what you need. Ready to take your Ionic experience to the next level? Start exploring the benefits of the Ionic Design Kit for intuitive designs and seamless development. Keep coding and achieving great things. Thanks for watching and see you next time.